When people say that these are machined to tight tolerances, all I can say is, wow, well, they are right. And that slow action is the spring pushing it up, and the slowness is just to the very mild friction on the walls. This is amazingly tight tolerances, and I can't recall if there is any gasket inside here. And it feels like really I should have that all lubed when doing that. There is a slightly wider rim at the bottom there, which is now the top in this picture, but it's slightly wider there, and that's where, you know, things get really tight. But you can see this is very finely machined piece, and there are some scratches on it. You know, I almost wonder if I put them in there, but I think that it's possible that that just happens over time from going up and down. Pretty impressive how tight that is.